Hello YouTubers, Hammerhead here again for another chit chat, and today I thought we'd talk about motorcycle boots. Now interestingly, motorcycle boots are quite a tough one if you think about it, because you've got all sorts, haven't you, to really consider here, because there are a lot of prices and there's a lot of styles for a lot of different things. Now I bought a few years ago from Audi a pair of their motorcycle boots that lasted me for about 3 years. 3 years of quite decent riding as well. And they were watertight, probably until about the end of that third year. But they were getting quite well worn, and they did alright. And I think they cost me about, I think they're in the sale for like 20 quid. 20 quid for a pair of like boots. And they were alright. I mean, the only thing is, as they've all got their drawbacks when you're not spending as much, is on a cold day, you felt cold. There wasn't probably as much wind protection, but they stayed waterproof, and that's what's important. And then, sort of the boots I've gone for today, and I've got to recommend, because they are super comfortable, really good, watertight, are the RST Adventurer 2. And they're really good set of boots. They've got the like clips on them as well, so you clip the first two up and a velcro on the side of that, and they're pretty good. And I'm easing into them now, and they're starting to stretch a bit as well, so they're getting even more comfortable. The one thing I'd say about motorcycle boots, and again it all depends on your style of riding and what sort you buy the style for the machine that you ride. So an example of this is if you're riding a classic motorcycle, people tend to wear ankle sized boots, and I've got like a pair of motorcycle boots that you generally would think that they're like you're going out every day boots. They look like brown suede, and they're extremely comfortable again. The one issue I had with them was, after probably about 6 months of wearing them, the insole seemed to come a little bit loose, so I had to re-stick them down. It was a bit of a shame, because they were about £120, or was it £170? I can't remember the brand off the top of my head now, but they're a similar, they're quite a high-tech brand, like Fortuna or something like that. So that's kind of like, you know, the issue I had with them. But that was that style for that bike, and obviously you've got your sport boots where they've got more of a no grip on the bottom and more sort of a slicker look. Where these adventure boots are, you know, like proper, like almost massive grip walking, going through the mud boots. So you need to pick the right boots for the right sort. But you know, always spend what you can afford. Never kind of overly stretch yourself and put it on credit cards and debt like that, because it's not worth it. So, you know, save up. And again, I started off with a pair from Audi. I didn't start off, I should say. My last pair were a pair from Audi, and they were really good. And they lasted a good few years. So you don't need to spend loads and loads of money. The one thing is you always get, though, you get the quality with the branding. So these RST boots are really well made. They feel quality, and they feel quality to also wear, and the padding's really good in there as well. So if you're going to spend a little bit less, you know, it might be worth putting on a thicker pair of socks, so you've got that kind of little bit of grip that you might want. That more comfort that you might want, that you probably wouldn't get in the cheaper boots. But yeah, boots are important as always, and so is all protection. So that was another really quick vlog about boots. Have a good think about what you're going to buy, shop around. Another great bit of advice, and I tend to do it quite a lot. I'll go to the bike shop, I'll find a pair that I like, I'll find them online on my phone and say, look, are you interested in price matching? They normally will, to be fair, and you get the pair of boots there and then at a decent price, or close to it. If not, you can walk away, a bit cheeky I know, but go and order from the place online. You've got your right size, you know what fits and what's comfortable. Anyway, thank you very much. If you can give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe if you haven't already. Another cheeky comment's always good, because it helps me out. And I look forward to talking to you next time. Goodbye for now.